What's up guys, welcome to What's on the Bench, and we had a few people request that we do a little factory tour before we jump into the students. So welcome to my messy bench. This hasn't changed for a while, to be fair. A few things I'm working on. 335 refret, we're doing a custom Bog Oak and Gold Leaf Les Paul that's almost finished. There's another custom raw Series Descendant there. Don't look at that, that's not allowed. That's my own personal work. And also, some exciting stuff. So over here used to be where Ben filmed, but now we are doing an online school, which will be coming very, very soon. And I've been working on the Strat course. The body's there, the neck's here. It's almost finished, but that is... that's coming soon. That's a later stage. Let's head on through this way. Don't really know what else has changed back here. We've tidied it up a lot, that's for sure. Don't know when people will have last seen, but buffing room in there. In here, we basically have a really nice flat lapping stone that we use to get necks flat and stuff. Tidied up this whole area. This is going to be for stabilizing resin, etc. Spray booth hasn't really changed. Wood room hasn't really changed. Let's go over here. So out here is a bit more organized. We've got shelves for stuff that's working on the CNC for the new kits and stuff. We also have lots of stuff happening everywhere, all of the time. New tool tops. Tommy nearly fell over. Can you hear what I'm saying over the sound of the extractor? I don't know, but Will's busy in there working, Aiden's busy in there working, Mark's busy there working. Yeah, we've organised lots of the wood back here as well. For body planks and tops, etc. for WoodDrop Wednesday. We're going to get some really, really nice, cool stuff coming up on there soon for all you Luthiers out there. Let us know what woods you'd like to see on WoodDrop Wednesday as well, because we will see about getting them, or if we already have them, we'll cut them into tops. Very nice. Let's go through this way. Look how clean it is. Amazing. And yeah, student room workshop is what it is. I don't know if we've tidied this at all or if it looks very similar to how you last saw it, but it's also very loud in here, so okay. And yeah, here we are in a quieter student room. Hi James.
Oh hi.
How you doing?
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, just looking at some wood.
Looking at some wood or looking for some wood?
Yeah.
Both.
Looking at the wood.
Okay.
Yeah. You all right?
So, yeah, I'm just
what are you
doing a factory tour because people asked for it last time.
Hey, yeah. This is a room. That's a room.
Yeah. There's room.
That's a room there. It's got some toilets in it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Room with many things. Clean.
Yeah. Who knows?
Yeah.
Room with many things in. Do you want to go upstairs?
Yeah,
that sounds like I'm propositioning
yeah.
you. We have the wall of students. Some of them. Let's go upstairs, Tommy, shall we? Oh, there's another room here. The dark room that's it's too dark. Spooky room. This is another room. This is another online school room where Sam and Sean have been filming in here. So Sam and Sean filming here, and I filming now in the custom shop room. Lights off. Let's go. Up the stairs we go. All of the tools and picking and packing. This is where you work, isn't it, Tommy?
It is.
It's where you spend all of your time. And now we come in the DGD live room. So this is where we do the streams on Tuesdays and Fridays. That's when I do them. So yeah, that kind of concludes the factory tour. Hopefully our editors get some decent stuff out of that. There will be more live sessions coming soon, yes.
What you meant to me, 'cause even if we were meant to be, someday you might wanna run away. The direction we will take. Locked inside my head, you have the
If you are in a band and you are in the UK and you want to do a live session, send an email to, I don't know, it'll flash up on the screen now. And yeah, you could come down and do a live session. It's good fun. It's quite noisy, but it's good fun. What's up, guys? Welcome to What's on the Bench, and this is Tobi. And you're on a 5-day all-in course, yeah?
Correct, yes.
And yeah, talk me through your very purple, beautiful, was it lilac? Your
It's
guitar.
lavender, actually.
Lavender.
I used the lavender stain, applied a lot of coats to make it this beautiful color.
Yeah,
Yes.
looks great, man.
I love it, definitely. Yeah, so we started off with 3 pieces of wood and turned this into a beautiful guitar within 5 days, and I can't believe it. And all that it's missing is the setup and a couple of knobs, of course. But yeah, it turned out pretty great. We started with an ash body, maple neck, ebony fretboard, mother of pearl dot inlays.
Nice. Have you done any kind of woodworky stuff before, or was this your first soiree into woodworking?
Well, I've assembled kits, like guitar kits before, and I had to finish like the remaining 20% of these kits. Yeah. But starting from scratch was completely new. I haven't used the bandsaw, the band sander, and the router before, so this was all new, and I now feel pretty confident after this week. So that's been great and a great learning experience.
So you think you're going to do another one?
I can see myself building another guitar. Yeah.
Nice. What would you build next?
I'm
Put you on the spot.
I'm a person who thinks you have to do the same thing a couple of times before it's really good. So I probably build another Telecaster just for the sake of training and practice.
Fair enough. I was about to say that's the German way, and you are from Germany.
I am from Germany. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Get it.
Get it right.
Right.
It's not. It's
Practice. Get it right.
Yeah, it's not perfect, but it's good enough. It's really nice. It's playable. And what makes this guitar special is the chunky neck. So I asked the instructor, Dom, who was fantastic the entire week.
Yep.
Can we make this a really chunky neck? Because I like those Telecasters from the 50s, and it's the chunkiest necks that you can imagine.
Yeah, it's basically like the heel kind of just, it comes down like a mil or two, and then it's the rest of the neck. Yeah, we've had a few of those upstairs. But yeah, it looks great, man. So you just gotta set up and just make the nut a bit.
Yeah, not too high.
Yeah, nuts
slots are not perfect yet, and then truss rods.
Yeah, set up,
whatever. Yeah, typical setup tasks.
Beautiful. Probably a string tree.
A string tree. Yeah, got it here.
Lovely jubbly. All right. Well, thanks for chatting with me, man. And
thanks for having me. Yeah.
And
it.
You'll be shredding it by the end of the day.
Yeah, with a thick neck, shredding is hard, but yeah.
You'll be playing chords on it by the end of the day.
Yeah. Thanks.
Cool. Cheers, man.
Cheers.
What's up, dude?
How's it going, man?
Isaac, our 3-month student. How's it going, man?
It's going good. It's going good. I'm on to designing number 3 at the moment. I've route and cut number 2, which is down here.
Yes, the semi-hollow double cut
Short scale.
short scale Les Paul-y thing, right?
Indeed.
Nice. How's the neck coming for that?
It's going good. Oh, it's all here.
And a flamey neck as well.
No doubt.
Cool. And you're just designing something new. Is this the design. Is this for you?
That's the one for me.
It is.
Very excited to do that.
Nice. It's pretty crazy shape, and you've gone for a black machine headstock. We were discussing this momentarily before this. So you've not heard of Black Machine?
Never
before.
heard of it.
So it's a small builder from London, and loads of like I guess more like progressive metal-y musicians. So Pin from Sixth. Have you heard of Sixth?
No.
Okay, you should listen to Sixth.
Check them out.
You should listen to Sixth as well. And Periphery.
Yeah.
You know Periphery? So Misha had a Black Machine. I don't know if he still has, but yeah, they were... I think he still makes them, but I feel like he makes one a year, but I might be wrong. He might watch this video and be like, you're wrong, I make more than one a year. So I apologize. They're super cool guitars, but they all have this headstock, and lots of companies have ripped that off since.
Oh, I really like it.
Because, yeah, obviously the strings kind of just come over the top.
Do you think about that? That's going to be sweet.
Yeah. So, yeah, talk me through your thinking on the design. Is it just going for comfort, lightweight, or...
Bit of both.
Bit of both?
Really. So I started off with like a Firebird sort of design because I really like how they look. But I wanted to make it a bit more modern, like better fret access because it's going to be 24 fret.
Correct.
Mix it with a little bit of an Explorer to make the back a bit more pointy there.
Yep.
And I decided to take a bit of weight off the headstock with this design just because I hate neck dive. I do not want that anywhere near my guitar.
Yeah, absolutely. What pickups? What bridge? What we thinking?
Oh, at the moment I've ordered some bare knuckle pickups for it.
Correct again. Yep. Love bare knuckle. Shout out to bare knuckle.
Big time.
I love bare knuckle. Yeah, cool.
I've gone for an HSS setup.
Yep.
So I've got like a PAF replica for the bridge, and I got two like 59 Strat slab board replicas for the neck and middle.
Cool.
Just want a bit.
Did you go for the Polypath?
No.
Polypath? No. Okay.
I went.
Sorry, I just know that's the
VH2.
new one. They are sick.
Oh.
They sound really good. I've only used one, but it was just like, I mean, with most bare knuckles, they were all just like super clear and really nice. So
excited.
yeah, VH2 is really good. And what kind of bridge? Are you going like Tune-o-matic with an angled neck, or?
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
so.
So is it going to be set neck?
No, it's gonna be a through neck.
Through neck. So you're angling a through neck.
Is that possible?
Yeah.
Sweet.
It's just a bit more work. That's all. you just got to cut more bits basically, because you could have the whole neck block, but then you've got to put like an angle in the neck and then leave it flat for the body kind of thing. So you've got to cut a bit more. There's a bit more work involved in doing an angle through neck, but
Right.
you're on a 3-month course, so why not? Just do it. Cool, man. We've gone back in here and you've filled all of the little gaps.
Every single one.
Yes. The grain filling was not as successful as we would have liked. So the next step, sanding it, which is totally squeaky bum time. First time you do it, but you'll be fine. I'll come and talk you through how to do it when you get around to doing that. We can put more coats on after. Obviously, you've got a couple more sessions. So yeah, at this stage we should be fine. But yeah, cool, man. It looks a bit messy now, but once we sanded it back, it'll look fine. Yeah.
And the bench cookie's done.
Yeah, scrape the bench cookie off it. So much glue. This is Filip. And tell me about your guitar on your bench, dude.
Yeah, it started out as a Les Paul, and yeah, it still is.
Yep.
But we went a bit bananas with the carves.
Nice.
So I took a Les Paul and basically violated it. I'm super happy. Wanted to carve away as much weight as possible.
Yep.
So it's feather light.
That is a downside of a Les Paul. It's really heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's why you come here, so you can customize it.
You can do what you want.
Yeah. So yeah, mahogany all the way through.
Yep.
We did a lovely black stain and then amber it up. So we got kind of a burst effect.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Have you done any kind of woodworky stuff before, or?
Yeah, mostly. I do it at home, but usually it's on the house, so
Okay.
your failures are more forgiving.
Lots of filler.
Lots of filler, and then you paint it over. Here it's more attention to detail, so it's a first for that.
Absolutely. I mean, it looks great, man.
Thank you.
Yeah. Just 2 humbuckers, volume, tone, 3-way switch.
Exactly. 2 humbuckers, volume, tone, and the switch went up there instead of there, so I can more easily access it.
Awesome. And you guys are brothers?
Yes, we are.
Yep. Is there any kind of rivalry? I know me and my brother had we always had rivalry growing up, but he could barely build a Lego model. So, I mean, it's not going to be like guitar building, but any rivalries?
No, we actually discussed that yesterday, and it's a good thing we're building 2 different guitars.
Yeah.
And of course, it's also good to we never make the same mistake as each other, so we learn.
Yeah. Just make different ones.
Different ones.
Yeah.
What's learning? So
Cool. All right. Well, thanks for chatting to me, man. I'll talk to your brother now. Cheers. This is Malte. Talk me through your Tele,
Yeah,
dude.
so I've done a quite traditional Telecaster build. It's ash body, maple neck with a rosewood fretboard.
Yep. Very nice.
9.5 radius. I've always wanted a Tele. I also always wanted to learn how to build a guitar. Tried sometimes at home. I think I spent a week trying to just route the body with some success, more failure. So I'm amazed about the progress that we managed to do this week here. But yeah, traditional Telecaster, my first Tele. The stain is brown stain that's then sanded off, and then amber on top of that. Yeah, I'm really happy with that, how that came out.
Yeah, it looks great, man. I did see you two looking at the online school build that I've been doing.
Yeah.
I can see, because I've done a very similar stain.
Yeah.
So, what was your favorite bit? Was it the staining?
I think actually maybe not the most fun part, but doing the neck.
Yeah.
Because that was something that felt more like magic before. I don't know how to do the neck with the frets and everything.
Yeah.
So learning how to do that, and also as part of that, learning some basic fretwork.
Yeah.
Which I can take to other guitars.
Yeah. I mean, the neck is like, the user interface of the guitar. Like, the body is kind of just, I mean, I don't want to say it's a slab of wood with holes in,
Sort of.
but it kind of is.
Yeah.
But like the neck is where it's truly kind of like,
And before when I tried to do this home, I purchased finished neck. Well,
Yeah.
you needed to finish it, but it was like a complete neck.
Yeah.
And I figured the body I can do myself.
Yeah.
Now I feel like, well, with a bit more time than this, I can probably actually do a neck, and
Nice.
that's something I didn't think I would be able to do before this.
Well, there you go. So you're going to build some more?
Yes. I think we both said that, I mean, this has been great, but it's not like we feel like, or at least I don't, that, okay, that's it, I will never build. You already have like the 5 next projects in mind.
Yeah.
So
You've got the bug now. That's it.
But
That's
it's
it.
super fun.
Yeah. Super fun.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, send us pictures when you build more.
Yeah.
Because we'd love to see them. And
Hopefully we'll be back.
awesome. Yeah. Thanks for talking to me. Cheers.
Yeah.
La 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 audio. Stop filming me.